welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea. Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous gift box. This is one of my Secret Santa gifts. I'm making a few of them over the next couple of days, so I'll share them with you obviously once they've been sent out and received, but hopefully the people won't watch my video and won't see that it was me who was their Secret Santa. So this is made using Kanban, beautiful Kanban cardstock, and these are separate sort of sentiment pieces. It's got the gorgeous sort of minty green with the teacups on, and then the sort of a peachy pink, it's like a powdery pink with the so you start off, you need a piece of 8x8. I'm using this sort of calligraphy foil. It's got all words to do with tea on it: afternoon, friend, love, Earl Grey, chai, chat, sugar, spoonful, all sorts. And I've got this lovely sort of minty green with foiled teacups. And then I've got this holographic paper here. So this one's 8x8, this one's 6x6, and this is 7x4. And then you want two pieces of 4x1.5. Okay, so the large one you want to score at 2 on each side. The smaller one you want to score at 1 on each side, and just move it slightly away from the edge before you score it on your scoreboard. Just move it away 1/16 of an inch. This one you want to score at 2, 3.5 and 5. And as I said, this, you make 2 of these and you stick them together just so they're the same on each side. Now you also want to mark this one on this middle point here at 2, and you also want to mark this one at 2. And what that's for is we're just going to snip up there just to slot them together. So I'm just going to do some burnishing now then. So on this big one we're going to burnish at 2. So burnish all 4 sides. And then we want to cut up the bottom right vertical score line up to the first horizontal, and then I'm going to notch in because I do want this to fit nice and snug. And then I turn it around and I do the bottom right vertical up to that first horizontal, and that fits nice and snug. I'm just going to do that again. Okay, and now for the lid you want to do the same. So and for this piece you want to hold it this way. You want to do a valley fold, a mountain fold and a valley fold, so that you end up with a piece like that. Okay, and then you just want to hold it together and you just want to cut down that score line 2/3 of the way down that section, and then just cut out another slither in it to the side, and then cut down on this piece 2/3 of the way down. Don't cut a slither out of that one. Okay, and that's going to fit like that, and that's going to go on like so. Okay, you can glue it if you want to. The best way to glue it is to get a piece of scrap. So if you use a scrap that's glossy, and you get some Tombow and you just pop that on a little wiggly line. Remember to do the side that you've split, and just run that along there. Just let that settle a bit. And I'm just going to pop some Tombow onto this central piece, just to get it stuck together. Press it down. I love this holographic paper. These are all Kanban papers that I recently got from Create and Craft. They're absolutely gorgeous. And then pop that one in there. Pop that in. So there's slots there. And just push it down. And that just that little bit of Tombow that you've let go, a little bit tacky, will hold everything together. Okay. You can just leave that. Sometimes I have to look in my camera to see if I've got it straight. Right, so then I'm going to do my box. So I'm going to just glue the 4 outside flaps. Plenty of glue because get it right up to the edges. Plenty of glue because this is glossy. It's very difficult to see in this light. I hope that it's coming across better. My dog ruins every video that I make, barking at people knocking on the door. So many people knocking on the door, it's crazy. And then just glue those in like that. Why not? Thought I'd not put that one in properly, but I have. Oops. Making a bit of a pig's ear of this, aren't I? Once your Tombow goes a bit tacky, it just makes it so much easier to work with. Press everything down with a bone folder, and then this little thing will fit inside our box. And you can, I mean, if you wanted to, you could line the inside if you wanted to, but I'm not going to. I quite like it like that. And then I'm just going to leave that to, I'm not going to glue that in either. I'm just going to leave it like so. You can glue it in if you want to, but I'm not going to. It's a nice tight fit. And then I'm going to make my lid in the same way. That lid goes nicely onto that box, and I just love the sort of the minty colour with the peachy colour. It's really cute. But these papers do come in lots of different colours, so you can try. I'm going to pop my tea bags in then. So I've got lots of different types. So oops, so I'm just doing a bit of mix and match. I'm going to put that inside like so. I'm just going to use my crocodile Big Bite, and I'm just going to put a little hole into the corner. I'm just going to take a little bit of silver ribbon and pop it through. That's going to go in there. So that's just like a little cover inside, a little bit of an extra, and then that's going to go on the top like so. And then where we've got this little heart, I'm just going to put a little white one of these. These came from, I think these were from Every Craft's a Pound. I'm not sure. But where that little heart is, I'm just going to take a little heart. Oops. And then I'm just going to wrap up the box. And there we have it. We have a lovely little box gift of tea bags. They're the Tea Pigs tea bags. So that's one of my little Secret Santas, part of my Secret Santa for one person.